Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to add or remove documents outline in Google Docs. Let's get started. Firstly, go to View, check mark the Show Outline or click the Show Documents Outline. Now, which text you want to add outline, select the text and go to Style, click here. You can add here as a title, subtitle, heading and default text. Now I will add this text, default text. Right click on the text and add document outline. Now I will add this text as a title. I will add this text as a subtitle. Now I will remove the documents outline. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.